What's up, guys？ 我是麦克老师。今天我要给我亲爱的学生一个非常管用的小礼物。How is everyone doing? I wish I could see all your beautiful faces, but instead you just have to look at mine. No! If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me out by liking this video. I think it was about 2 years ago when I made a video called 学会这些英语单词可以走遍天下, and in it I shared a list of the 625 most common English words that you could download for free, and that video turned out to be one of my most popular videos. Even now, every single day I get people messaging me, 麦克老师，那个625单词怎么下载? The list of words was only in English, so some students wanted a Chinese translation. So today, I'm gonna do one better than that. I've remade the list of all the 625 words with English and Chinese, and I'm preparing a pronunciation video for all of these words, so you can not only just memorize them, but also speak them. 拍那个视频好辛苦了，视频好长，已经40多分钟。And if you know all of these 625 words, you can read a book, a magazine, watch a movie, and you should be able to understand about 60% of all the words spoken. On top of that, you should be able to have intermediate English conversations. Some people think the most important thing is 背单词，要背2000单词、3000单词、4000单词. Of course, that can be useful at times, but first we need to master the most common words in English. Once you master these 625 words, then you can add other vocabulary words that aren't used as much. So this updated bilingual list of 625 words, along with the pronunciation video of all 625 words, I want to give to my students for free. So if you've taken one of my courses before, such as the 美式发音课程 or the 电影口语课程，来，哦。你看谁来拜访我？哎 buddy， 要去睡觉吗 ？Yes。要换尿布吗 ？Okay。All you have to do is wait until September 1st when the video will be ready, and then text 单词 to my course manager's WeChat, which is Real Mike US, or the new one, Real Mike US 2. If the course manager doesn't add you right away, please don't worry, just try again later. Sometimes there's a limit to how many people can be added at one time, so don't worry too much. They will send you a message with links to download the list and a link to watch the pronunciation video. Why September 1st? Because on September 8th, I'm starting my first entry-level oral English course. If you plan to take that course, you can start to prepare a little bit with these common words. This course is designed specifically for people with just a basic level of English, or for people who are afraid to open their mouth and speak English. It's a 1-month-long course. We have 2 live streams, 24 video courses, and 4 review courses. 30 courses total. If you really study hard, after just this 1 month, you should be able to master all of basic English. If you've not yet taken one of my courses, you can still add my course manager's WeChat and text the word 单词 to get the free video and the free list of 625 words. You don't have to take the course to get the list and the pronunciation video for free. But if you feel this course will be really helpful for you, don't forget to register before September 8th so you can get it for half price, 129 RMB. Here's a short sample of the video. 从动物开始 Animal, animal. Dog, dog. Cat, cat. Fish, fish. Bird, bird. Cow, cow. Pig, pig. Mouse, mouse. horse, horse. Wing, wing. 交通 transportation, transportation. Train, train. Plane, plane. If you can wait, I will be releasing the video after the course in October. Now here's a short lesson from my 口语入门课程. Hello, welcome to Lime English. 欢迎来到双城英语. How's it going? 今天这节课我们要学习如何介绍自己，介绍他人以及说再见. Let's do this. 与新朋友见面时，我们用 hello、hi 等打完招呼之后，就可以开始介绍自己了。介绍自己的句型很简单，可能有一些同学已经很熟悉了，那就是 My name is。比如 Hi, my name is Mike. Hi, my name is Mike. Hi, 我叫 Mike。或者你也可以直接说 I'm。后面加上你的名字，比如 Hello, I'm Mike. Hello, I'm Mike. Hello, 我叫 Mike. 是不是很简单？那我来考考你，比如你在酒吧遇到了自己喜欢的理想型，你走上去自我介绍，就可以说 Excellent. 自我介绍除了 I'm 还可以说 My name is。注意 name 里面的双元音 a 要发的饱满 a name， 然后 name 还可以和后面的 is 连读 My name is， 下面跟我读 Hi, my name is Mike。 太棒了，双元音发饱满，连读熟练了，你说出来的英语就会越来越地道，所以要多加练习。那么你说完了自己的名字，但你想知道对方的名字，那我们可以怎么提问？我们可以说 What's your name? What's your name? 你叫什么名字？好了，你已经掌握了自我介绍的技能。Again, with these words, this pronunciation video, and this course, you will be able to master all of basic English. Once you have that solid foundation, it's much easier to learn new words and phrases. If you've always wanted to learn English, this is a great opportunity to do it. If you miss this opportunity, don't worry. I will run this course every 3 or 4 months for you. So after September 1st, you can text 单词 to my 课程助手. And if you want to take the course, sign up before September 8th to get half-price discount. And don't forget, if you've taken one of my courses before, you get another 20 kwai discount. So that's what I want to share with you today. I hope these resources can really help you improve your English, and I hope to see you in class at the live stream September 8th. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。